wanted to make an umbrella for this little patio set I got from Temu. And this is just a little drawing that I did to kind of figure out what did I want to do, how was I going to make it. I wound up using wood. I wound up using a skewer, and those are not toothpicks. Those are from the baby crib that I took apart. And I cut them, and polymer clay, I made the bottom and the top, put the holes in it, baked it, and then glued them in. I painted it gold, and here I'm going to go ahead and cut the fabric, which I thought was a really pretty color, and I made a template, and I went ahead and I carefully glued it on, ironed it, glued it on, and it looks good. And then I'm going to go ahead and make little cushions for the patio chairs. This is fabric that I had, and I really, really like it. So I just made one piece for each chair, and then I folded it, and then I hot glued it in, and here it is all done. It came out real cute. It'll be really pretty in my backyard scene. Little by little, I'm starting to work on that, and I just think it's so cute. When I was going to do this, I originally was going to do with not the wood, but I was going to use wire. It didn't work out. It did not work out at all. The wire was bending. So all in all, I really, really like it. I put some iced tea on the table. I did that little topper so I could hide the polymer clay. And I think that came out fancy, very fancy. So it's real cute, and I like the colors together. The colors are happy. So I'm really pleased with my umbrella. Thanks for watching.